Fellas, how's it going today? So, my voice just cracked there, but as you can see, we're here today to make a new background, a minimalist background. It's pretty simple, not a whole lot, just gonna get right to it, open up Procreate. So, I'm gonna turn this over here, just make it a little easier, make you see a little easier. What we're gonna do here is press that plus button. I like to go with screen size because it's just a lot easier. You can fit it for both your iPad and your phone. It just might change a little bit if you want. Colors, I already got them set up. I like pastel colors, so we're gonna go with pastel colors today. And then just starting with the little white, I like to use the technical pen for these straight lines. We're gonna go up and down, just some jagged edges because we're drawing mountains today. And then a straight line across to close those barriers. And then you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna fill it. Yep. Cool. So I'm gonna pick a nice black here. So we're gonna use the clipping mask here to make those nice edges to show where the shadows are within the mountain. And we're just gonna draw over it. Make sure to add a new layer. I forgot to mention that. And just draw around half of each triangle. You draw around half of each triangle. Then you close it and fill it. Drag and drop, baby, drag and drop. And we're gonna do the same with the other mountain here. And then close those barriers again, drag and drop. And then here's a little trick here. We're gonna go to layers and we're gonna press clipping mask. Just make sure though that the black layer is on top of the white triangles, and it's gonna fill those white triangles with that black layer. So it's gonna get rid of all those weird edges that we made right from the beginning. I'm gonna draw a nice little sun here, just a different shade of red. I think I just made it a little bit more saturated. Add a new layer, so I picked the blue, and we're gonna make a lake. We're making a nice little lake for those mountains to reflect on. So I combined the white layer and the black layer together, and the sun as well, because we're gonna copy and paste this here. So you see a 3-finger swipe down, press copy and paste, then you flip it vertical and put it on top of that water. Make sure it matches up so the lines meet with the other original version of the black and white. So now we're matched up. We're gonna take the eraser tool, make it a soft brush. You're gonna see this in the airbrushing category. Just make it a medium opacity so you can still see the object when you drag over it with the eraser. And you're just gonna lightly erase over it. And it's gonna make this nice reflection effect on the water below it. And you can add a cloud if you want. I chose not to because when you look at your lock screen here, it's going to be the time. You don't really want a bunch of mumbo jumbo up there, so I chose not to, but you can do it if you want. It's all really up to you. Just make these simple shapes like this and you're good to go. But yeah, here we are, a minimalist style of a wallpaper for your phone, for your iPad, whatever you want it to be. It's a minimalist wallpaper. Hope you enjoy it.